Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got another fun and simple Dollar Tree DIY for us. We're going to be making a Glam Apothecary. And so what you'll need is you're going to need a couple of these bowls from Dollar Tree. You're going to need 2 of these candlestick holders. You're going to need 1 of these tea light holders that come in a pack of 2. You're going to need 1 of these place card holders that come in a pack of 4. So you'll need 1 of those. I've got some diamond wrap here. I also have some of the peel and stick diamond gemstones, some hot glue, and a pair of scissors. So these are the items that we'll need to get the apothecary completed. So let's get started. So I'm going to go ahead and start adding some gemstones to my candle. And now I'm just going to put diamond wrap all around the tea light. Now I'm going to add some diamond gemstones around the edge of this here. And I'm going to do this to both of the bowls. Okay, so now that I've got all of the pieces with the gemstones added to them, I'm going to go ahead and get the apothecary assembled. So let's start by putting together the base of the apothecary. Isn't that beautiful, you guys? So now let's get started decorating with it. Well, there you have it, guys. A simple, beautiful glam DIY project. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. I'd like to thank each of you for stopping by Cozy Casita. You're always welcome. If you like these kinds of DIYs, share them with your friends. And also, if you're new to the channel, Please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.